Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Thanksgiving video, I'll be showing you how to draw Hedorah, but it's going to be Hedorah made out of mashed potatoes. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our mashed potato Hedorah, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a curved line like this. Then we'll make another curved line right here. I'm going to bring this line up, so it kind of looks like a football shape. We'll do the same thing on this one. Just connect these lines with that football shape. Next, I'm going to make an oval shape here, and then we'll make another oval shape right here for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and make a circle inside of the top of each one. And then I'm just going to kind of color this part in. Next, I'm going to make a bumpy line here. And I'm going to make a bumpy line here. Now, right here, I'm going to make this kind of squiggly looking mouth shape. Then right up here, I'm going to make this wiggly line that's just going to kind of come up and down like this. And then we'll make a big bump here and bring it down. Next, let's just connect this line. Now, starting here, let's bring this line up and down. I want to make this line kind of wiggly, and then we'll bring it to here. Next, I'm going to make another wiggly line down here, and then up to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little wiggly line down, and we're going to make some little squiggles for the foot. I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll make some more little squiggles, and then bring it up to here. Next, I'm going to make some little wiggly lines down here, so it kind of looks like he's standing in a bunch of gravy. Next, I'm going to make some little squiggly lines here. And then I'm going to make a little squiggly line here. We'll make one here. And then I'll make one right here. And that'll kind of be like some different parts of the gravy. I'm also going to make a little wiggly line here. And a little wiggly line here. Then I'm going to make a big wiggly line right across the top of the head. Then we'll just make some little squiggle shapes kind of all around here just to give it a little bit of texture and detail. Maybe a couple little curved lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a mashed potato Hedorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.